Why do some people amass wealth effortlessly, while others struggle to make ends meet? These are some well-kept wealth secrets. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone seeking financial freedom: common financial mistakes. You see, wealth accumulation isn't just about making more money, it's also about avoiding the pitfalls that can erode your finances. In the course of this discussion, we'll lay bare 10 common mistakes that people often make, hindering their journey towards financial freedom. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to financial enlightenment. Let's dissect these mistakes, one by one, and learn how to avoid them. The first pitfall on our list is living beyond your means. This is the fastest route to financial ruin. Now, living within your means isn't about depriving yourself of life's pleasures. No, it's about making smart decisions and prioritizing your spending. It's about understanding the difference between what you want and what you actually need. When you consistently spend more than you earn, you're not just eating into your savings, but you're also risking potential debt. And once you're caught in the debt trap, it's a slippery slope to financial instability. But wait, there's a silver lining. By budgeting and keeping track of your expenditures, you can live comfortably within your means. It's about making your money work for you rather than you working for your money. This way you can save more, invest more, and ultimately build wealth. Next up, procrastination. Delaying financial decisions can cost you dearly. Procrastination, the art of doing tomorrow what could be done today. It's a habit that we're all guilty of indulging in, but when it comes to finances, it can have serious repercussions. You see, every moment wasted could have been an opportunity seized. That investment you've been pondering, its value could skyrocket while you're still sitting on the fence. That debt you haven't started paying off, interest is piling up, and your mountain of debt is only getting higher. It's a silent killer of financial growth, this procrastination, and it can easily push your dreams of wealth out of reach. In the financial world, every second counts. Opportunities come and go in the blink of an eye, and the cost of missed opportunities can be tremendous. So don't just dream about wealth, chase it. In the world of finance, time is money. Don't wait, act now. Our third mistake is drowning in debt. Borrowing money is easy, paying it back is hard. Now, we all know that certain debts like student loans, mortgages, or even business loans can be seen as investments, right? But it's crucial to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Excessive debt, especially bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, personal loans for non-essentials, can be a real hindrance on your journey to wealth creation. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. The more you pour in, the more it leaks out. And let's not forget the stress that comes with debt. It's like a constant cloud hanging over your head, impacting every area of your life. So what's the solution? Borrow responsibly, understand your means and live within them. And here's a simple yet powerful mantra to live by. If you can't afford it, don't buy it. Moving on to mistake number 4, lack of financial goals. Without clear goals, you're sailing without a compass. Imagine trying to navigate the high seas without a clear destination or a map to guide you. It's the same with your finances. Without financial goals, you're just drifting along, letting the winds of life push you this way and that. Financial goals act as your guiding star, helping you make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. They give purpose to your money, turning it from a mere tool into a powerful ally in your pursuit of wealth. Whether it's saving for a new home, building an emergency fund, or investing for retirement, having clear goals can keep you focused and motivated. Remember, your financial goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This helps ensure they're realistic and keeps you accountable. Halfway through our list, we have poor money management. This is like driving with a blindfold. Imagine trying to navigate through a busy city with your eyes shut. You wouldn't get very far, would you? The same goes for managing your money. Now, let's discuss the importance of budgeting. Budgeting is the compass that guides your financial decisions. It's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious choices about what you want to do with it. Without a budget, you're flying blind. Next, tracking expenses. This is the map that shows you where you've been. By keeping track of your expenses, you can identify patterns, spot leaks, and make necessary adjustments. And finally, managing money wisely. This isn't just about spending less than you make, it's also about investing in the right places, saving for the future, and making your money work for you. It's about being deliberate and thoughtful with your financial choices. Mistake number 6, ignoring financial education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Picture this, you wouldn't navigate a ship without a compass, would you? The same applies to handling finances. Without the right knowledge, you'll find yourself lost in a sea of poor financial decisions. Understanding the basics of budgeting, savings, investing, and taxes is essential. It's not just about making money, but also about knowing how to manage it, grow it, and protect it. In this digital age, there's a wealth of resources available to help you develop your financial literacy. From books to online courses, podcasts to financial seminars, the learning never stops. Don't let ignorance be your downfall. Every bit of knowledge you gain is a tool in your financial toolbox. Remember, the most successful people never stop learning. So, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing in your financial education. Next up, neglecting health. Your health is your wealth. It's an old adage that holds a lot of truth, and it's especially relevant when we're talking about financial well-being. Now, you might be wondering, what does health have to do with wealth? Well, it's simple. Good health keeps you active, energetic, and capable of earning and growing your wealth. On the flip side, poor health can be a drain on your financial resources. Think about it, medical bills, prescription costs, treatments, they all add up. But it's not just the direct costs. When your health suffers, your ability to work might also be compromised. You could lose income, or worse, your job. So the message here is, don't neglect your health. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep are investments in your well-being and, by extension, your financial future. Remember, your health is your biggest asset. Mistake number 8, chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's easy to be seduced by the lure of quick cash. We've all seen those flashy adverts promising instant wealth with minimal effort, but tread with caution. These schemes often rely on unrealistic returns and high-risk strategies. More often than not, they end up leaving hopefuls with less than they started with. On the other hand, building wealth takes time, dedication, and a good dose of financial wisdom. It involves making smart, calculated decisions, consistently saving and investing, and above all, practicing patience. It may not be as glamorous or exciting as the promise of instant wealth, but it's a tried and true path that leads to financial stability and prosperity. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. The penultimate mistake, not diversifying your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, let's elucidate what that means. Diversification, in the context of building wealth, is the strategy of spreading your investments across different types of assets such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate to mitigate risk. It's like a safety net for your hard-earned money. Here's why it's crucial. When you invest all your money in one place, you're risking it all on a single outcome. If that investment takes a hit, so does your entire financial future. But when you spread your investments across a variety of assets, you're not dependent on the success of just one. If one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing out the overall impact. It's a way to maximize potential returns while minimizing potential losses. Diversify your investments to spread risk and increase potential returns. It's not just a saying, it's a strategy for financial stability and growth. Finally, emotional investing. Letting your heart rule your wallet is a recipe for disaster. Now, we all have emotions, and they're great for a lot of things. Cheering on your favorite sports team, enjoying a good movie, even falling in love. But when it comes to investing, emotions can lead us down a dangerous path. You see, the stock market doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care if you're hopeful, fearful, or desperate. It moves based on cold, hard facts and data. When we let our emotions sway our investment decisions, we run the risk of buying high out of greed and selling low out of fear, which is the exact opposite of what successful investing entails. So, what's the solution? Simple. Keep your emotions in check. Do your research, understand the numbers, make decisions based on rational analysis, not your gut feelings. Keep emotions out of investing, make informed, rational decisions. Because in the end, the market rewards the logical, not the emotional. All of these are barriers to building wealth. By avoiding these mistakes, you're not just avoiding financial turmoil, but you're setting the foundation for financial success. In essence, the path to wealth is not just about making money, but preserving and growing it. Avoid these pitfalls, and you're well on your way to financial success. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wealth secrets. Thank you for watching.